straight to the next, and that's number 12. In the diagram, it's 12a. In the diagram, PQR and S are points on the circle. This is the diagram. PQR and S are points on the circle with center O. QR is parallel to OS. QR is parallel to OS. Angle QOR is equal to 2M, as shown in the diagram. Angle QPR is equal to N, that's also in the diagram. And angle SOR is equal to 54 degrees. Find the values of M and N. First of all, if QR is parallel to OS, that simply means these angles are equal. That simply means this angle and this angle are equal. And the reason for that is alternate angles. They are alternate angles. So I can say SOR angle SOR equals angle ORQ equals angle ORQ, and the reason for that is alternate angles. They are alternate angles. So that simply means angle ORQ is also equal to 54 degrees. Now that means this is also 54 degrees. Now I know that, what else do I do? Okay, I know that OR and OQ are radii. OR is a radius and OQ is also a radius. That means triangle QOR is an isosceles triangle. So what do I do? OR equals, let me even bring the diagram down so we can see as we answer the question. That's the diagram. So I'm going to say OR, I'm going to say triangle, I'm going to say ORQ, angle ORQ equals angle OQR. What's the reason for that? Base angle of isosceles triangle QOR. Base angles of isosceles triangle QOR. So that therefore means that simply means ORQ, that simply means OQR, therefore angle OQR is also equal to 54 degrees. Now in triangle QOR, I can see that. That means I can now say in triangle QOR, OQR, angle OQR plus angle ORQ plus angle QOR equals 180 degrees. And the reason for that is angles in a triangle, the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. And that means we already know them. OQR is 54 plus ORQ is also 54. OQR plus ORQ plus QOR, that's 2M, equals 180, which simply means 2M plus 108 equals 180. I want to keep the diagram so that we can see it as we are solving the question. And that simply means 2M equals 180 minus 108, which means 2M equals 72. And that therefore means M is equal to 36 degrees. That simply means M equals 36 degrees. Now how do we find N? We can see that angle QPR and angle QOR, QPR and QOR, are circumference and center angles. Angle QPR is at the circumference while angle QOR is at the center. So, and we know the theorem that says angle at center is twice angle at circumference. That simply means angle QOR, which is at the center, is twice angle QPR, which is at the circumference. Angle at center equals angle at center is twice angle at circumference, and that's what we're going to do. So that simply means I can say QOR angle QOR equals 2 times angle QPR, and the reason is angle at center is twice angle at circumference. That therefore means 2m, which is angle QOR, equals 2 times n, which is 2n. N is angle QPR, and that simply means if 2m is equal to 2n, that simply means m is equal to n, and I already know m is 36 degrees, therefore n is also 36 degrees. And that's the answer, very, very simply. All right, let's go straight to the next one, which is question B, 12B. How do we do that? That B, the length of a rectangle is 4 centimeters more than the width. If the perimeter is 40 centimeters, find the area. What a piece of cake! This is an insult to our intelligence. This question is extremely simple. Length is 4 centimeters more than breadth. So if breadth is b, length is going to be b plus 4. And they said the perimeter of the rectangle is 40 centimeters. This is a bonus. Perimeter of the rectangle is given by 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. That simply means 2 into bracket L is b plus 4 plus b equals 40. Perimeter is 40, L is b plus 4, and that means 2 into bracket b plus 4 plus b equals 40. And that simply means 2 into bracket 2b plus 4 equals 40. I can divide both sides by 2, which simply means 2b plus 4, of course 2 cancels 2, 2 here 1, 2 here 20. 2b plus 4 equals 20, and that simply means 2b equals 20 minus 4, which means 2b equals 16, and that means b equals 8. Now the question says find the area of the rectangle. If b is 8, that means L is 8 plus 4. B is 8 centimeters. L is 8 plus 4, which is 12 centimeters. Therefore, the area of the rectangle, which is length times breadth, is 12 times 8, and that's 96 centimeters squared. That was a piece of cake. And that's it, very, very simply. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you in the next. Bye bye.